Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to another video. Shujat here from TechJockeyhd, and today we are going to be having a look at this very much so in demand laptop from Dell. It's called Dell XPS 157590. Right off the back, let's talk about specs. So it comes with a great 4K Ultra HD resolution with Core i9, 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of SSD hard drive, as well as an amazing NVIDIA's GeForce GTS 1650 4 gigabytes of graphics card, which is amazing. It also has 64-bit Windows 10 inside of it. Basically, just by getting all this information, you would categorize it as a graphic intensive laptop. However, it might not be true in some cases. I mean, it does have Core i9 and an amazing RAM as well as graphics card inside of it, but keep in mind that this is a laptop that's one of the thinnest laptops out there in the market. So you should not be expecting it to be gaming focused because it would need much more hardware and cooling system inside of it. But it is still a really good laptop for your work environment. So any kind of Adobe, After Effects and all that kind of stuff, it should still be able to take on any of these softwares very easily. Before jumping deep into this conversation, let's have a look at the unboxing experience of this laptop. So the package itself is just like any other package from any other company, and inside of it is where you can see the actual difference happening. It's fairly easy to remove the top of this box as compared to other boxes that we have for other laptops in the market. The boxing is very minimalistic, I would say. It only has the laptop, 130 watt power adapter inside of it, as well as some menus, and that's basically it. I would also mention that it's not easy to open this laptop with one hand if that's what you're looking for. I've always used Macs, so I'm actually very happy with the design and build of this laptop. I would categorize it as a high-end laptop just by having a look at it as is. The trackpad and keyboard do have their own feel to it as compared to a MacBook, but it's still positive and a good experience. Now, despite the fact that there is a newer version of this laptop out there in the market, but I would still go with this one just because this is more stable and has much more functionality to it as compared to the newer model, because nothing really has changed in the newer model so far, and we have some very negative feedback in the market as well. Now let's talk about the users and who actually needs this laptop. If you're just looking for a laptop to browse internet and do just the basic stuff that a laptop can do, you should not be buying this kind of laptop because it's a lot more money that you're just wasting. At the same time, if you're in the market to buy a graphics intensive laptop for gaming or something like that, you should still not buy this laptop because there are tons of other competitive laptops which are much better and able to do much more than what this laptop can do for the same price that you're paying for this one. So with that being said, if it's not for the entry model and it's not for the higher end gaming community, then what is it for? I think this laptop is still geared towards work environment where you want to have a laptop which is very high in terms of hardware and is able to take on some of the professional softwares that do use some of the graphics card but not too much of it. I hope this explained exactly what kind of customers line is this laptop geared towards. This is one of the current laptops that do let you choose between the LCD and OLED screens. If you don't know the differences between the two, I did make a video on this topic recently. It should be linked up above somewhere. Just go ahead and check it out. And as far as the OLED burnouts are concerned, there is no complaints from the community so far. The battery does last for about 5.5 hours of consistent YouTube videos. It also has the fingerprint scanner and some of the most trending and very advanced inputs as well. With that being said, just to reiterate, it's not a gaming laptop and it's not a basic laptop because it's too much money. It's right there in between the two. Hopefully this helps. Make sure to like and share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.